On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start buying things from China. All right, you place your order on the app and they are going to deliver whatever things you order to your doorstep. But first, I want you to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will see all the method I use in making this order. It is very easy. A lot of people don't know about it, but I have put together in this tutorial so you as well can order everything. So you see this stuff you're saying is something I bought from China, and there are a lot of different buying it here in Nigeria and in China. It is very cheap. So as you all know, Alibaba is on this app as well, and you can order whatever things from Alibaba and it is very cheap. There are something you can purchase on this app for like 200 naira, 1000 naira. This stuff you are seeing, I bought it very cheap, and the difference between the one I purchased from China and the one here in Nigeria, the difference is the distance is very long, like the price difference is very long. So I have a friend that I've reviewed this method for, and is buying chain like all this necklace, earring, and is making a lot of money for me. Imagine a necklace you purchase at the rate of $2. All right, $2 is about 4,000 naira. You can decide to sell that the same necklace 20,000 naira because the necklace is original. All right, it's not real gold, but it's original, right? So make sure you watch this video to the end. All right, so I'm going to make use of my mobile app to run this tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do here, since I'm using an iPhone, so I will just go to my Apple Store. So if you're using Android as well, go to your Google Play to look for this app. So we are going to download this app, YouTube, something YouTube. So you can see it. You can see it. Make sure you download. Click on Get. All right, so verify your Face ID. All right, so we are going to hold on a little bit while this app download, right? While this app downloads. All right, so now that we have this app download, you can see the interface of the app, right? You can see the interface of the app. You can scroll and try to find out what you're looking for, but first, make sure you sign up on this app. It's free. You don't have to pay any money for you to get signed up. You can make use of your phone number. So for me, I'm going to make use of my phone number to sign on this app, right? Make sure you subscribe and like this video. All right, so I'm going to put my phone number and I'm going to wait for them to send code. All right, so a code has been sent now. The code has been sent and we are in. So now the next thing I want you to do is look for a product that you want to purchase. All right, you can see at the top there, that is Alibaba kind of the website to go to Alibaba. All right, so you can follow that particular place to go there. But now this is what I want you to do. Search for any of the product that you want to buy. This is what I want you to do. Search for any of the products that you want to buy and select them, add them into carts. All right, so after adding them into carts, the next thing you are going to do is place an order. Make sure you put your address, like your real address, so that anytime this particular stuff gets to Lagos, you will be able to get it. All right, they will be able to get it delivered to your doorstep. So if you put a fake address there, they won't be able to locate your house. Sometimes they have a pickup point that you can decide to visit and pick up your goods. All right, so whatever things, any business you want to start ordering from China, make use of this app, and it is fast and reliable. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe.